Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. So I finished off with my last video of 2022 and this will be my first video of 2023, and it's going to be a very quick Dollar Tree haul. I really didn't find a whole lot there, but I guess it was just to come back on here and hope that all of you have started your year off wonderfully. Today the sun is shining, which is amazing because it seems like for the last month, almost 2 months, it's been dark and gloomy. And somehow when the sun comes out, it makes everything better. So I'm very grateful to see the sun today. Sorry about the glare, but I want it to stay because, again, it just makes everything feel so much better. So with my Dollar Tree haul, you can see as usual, I have everything in front of me. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So to start out, I came across some more of the Spectrum apple cider vinegar organic. It is GMO, non-GMO, and it is organic, as I said, and 946 mils for the bottle, $1.50, which is a great price because if you're going to pick this up at the grocery store, you're going to be paying a lot more, probably almost $10 Canadian. So for $1.50, this was great. Now it does expire, or best before is March 2023. So I do have some time, and to be quite honest with you, I use this up because I love to wash my vegetables and fruits in this. I use it to drink with water in the morning when I remember, and it's just got so many uses for it. So I always end up using it up anyway, but very thankful that they are bringing this to Dollar Tree. For now anyway. Seeing these colors makes me think of spring and summer, and I can't wait. And again, having the sun out today really makes me excited for the spring and summer. But I did pick up some Angel of Mine baby scratch mitts over in the baby aisle. I like to pick these up from time to time. My reborn stash is really growing, so now I need to get to painting. So then when I do sell a baby, reborn doll that is, then I will be able to make a nice box opening by adding all these little goodies to the box. So I picked this one up in pink and green, and then in gray and blue. And then I saw some more of the LA Colors artificial nail tips. I love these ones. I also love the fact that they are short and square, which is my favorite, and I love the color. So I had to get a couple of each. These are the name of it is called Appealing. The number is C68418 for any of you that are wondering. And of course the glue is not included with these. So I picked up that blue, and then I picked up this one, which is BRB. And the number is C68420. Almost like a fuchsia. Well, on camera it looks more fuchsia, but it is more pinky in person. So I was really happy to come across these. These will be great for spring and summer. Then just a mishmash here. They do still have Christmas winter items that are on sale. They were 50% off, and then that day that I went in there, I happened to see that they had just marked them down to, I think it was 75% off. So phenomenal deal. There's still quite a bit of stuff if you want to pick up some things for next year, and you'd be getting them at super great prices. I'm not 100% sure what the percentage was off, but this I picked it up for 35 cents. And I was looking for, I should have picked them up when they had came out, but I kind of wanted to do a different coffee bar for the winter month, and I thought I needed a couple more. I had 4 on hand, but I wanted 6. So I don't know, I might just work with what I have, but I was happy to at least come across this one here. And these ones, really, I should have picked up more of these, of the different houses and such, because the ones that I had were the ones where you put the tea light candle inside, where these ones here have the little switch, which is so much nicer. So I'll have to remember that for next year. So I may wait on the coffee bar then. But hopefully it'll be video that I can show you for the following winter season. I then picked up this decor sign. It's a DIY letter board, and I love this one because it's in the natural wood, and you can place the letters on the little stand that's made into the letter board. And then on the back, they give you the letters. So I thought this was very sweet. I'll probably be using it in my studio reborn / guest house outside, but I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up this stencil. They did have quite a few new stencils, but this one I saw right away because I was just going into the Dollar Tree to pick up a few cards, and so I seen this quickly as I was walking by, and I thought it was a beautiful stencil. For anyone who loves leaf art, then these are really nice because you get a variety of different leaves and different greenery. So I thought this will be fun to make some canvas art using these stencils. And the last thing that I have to share with you are stuffed or plushies that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and they are so cute. I think they just get better and better. So to start off, I picked up these Batman and Selena Kyle little plushies. They kind of look like the Tsum Tsums, except these ones are upright, where the Tsum Tsums are more like laying this way with their face in the front. They did have those as well at Dollar Tree. I did take pictures of them if you want to see the ones that they had. So adorable. But these ones I picked up because my one son, he collects all the Marvel and DC comic figurines and stuff like that. So I thought this would be fun for him to put up on his shelf. So I was happy to come across those. Then, of course, for Valentine's Day, they came out with these adorable little fuzzy friends. I don't know, they're all cute, but I think the donut and the cupcake are my favorite. This kind of reminded me of a rattle, although there's nothing on the inside, it's just a little plushie. But I did pick these up to, again, add to the Reborn stash, so that I could send these along with a doll as like a little lovey. So here is the cupcake, super cute. Then there is the milkshake, again adorable. And then of course a heart. So really cute. They also, and I believe this is the first time I've seen them at my Dollar Tree. I don't think I've seen these last year. They are the bunnies, and I picked up one white and one brown. And I didn't realize either, I didn't notice it while I was in the store, but it could have came off the bunny's little nose while I was bringing them home. So just make sure you take a good look to see all the little noses are on there, because they are just hot glued, so they could come off very easily. But these have a little bit of weight in the bottom so that they can stand. And I think they're super cute, and I was really happy to see them this time around at Dollar Tree. But that's it, guys. That's my quick little haul. Again, it was just more to say hi to everyone and just to wish you all a wonderful new year. And I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoy this quick little haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.